Hi, this is Devashmita and I warmly welcome you back to my channel. To introduce myself, I am in my first year pursuing Bachelor of Arts, History Honours from Miranda House, Delhi University. And although my CVT score was not that spectacular, but since I cleared the cutoff, here it is, 931.19 something. And I scored above 99 percentile in 4 papers, including that of my language, English. This is not a video to try terrorizing you into being afraid of things which have not happened yet, but it is just to keep you mentally prepared about the worst possible scenarios that you might come across tomorrow when you go to your exam center to attempt your paper, or any day when you are attempting your paper. Actually, the best person to give you an advice on the do's and don'ts of the day of your exam is the person who has been through almost the worst scenario possible. Okay, so first things first, please ascertain that you know where your exam venue is and how far it is from your residence, because many a times we tend to underestimate the distance and the traffic that persists. Make sure that you are leaving home at least 2.5 to 3 hours prior to that, so that वहाँ पे जाके mentally relieved that yeah, I have finally reached here. Now I can complete my final to utmost final revision, and then just go in and write the paper. So my center was quite far away from my house. It was almost like 1.5 hour away from my home. So we left like 3 hours prior to that, and if that is the case with you, then you must also do the same. But the mistake which I made was to try eating in the car. Now I am somebody who has developed this motion sickness after 2 years of high school traveling in auto, e-rickshaw, bus, train, and then suddenly I was in an enclosed space of our car, and I was feeling very nauseous. Now I would always say that you should travel by public transport even if you are having the private means, because I have been there. Okay, I have faced a lot, but then again public transport ke timings में भी गलती हो सकती है. That is why I always say कि keep a lot of time, keep ample time in your hands, and then leave for your exam center. Do not eat anything before leaving. While in the transport, do not eat anything. Once you reach there and you are still like 30 minutes away from the entry time, and mind you, they are very particular and very strict about the entry time. Okay, so yeah, gates बंद कर देंगे, तुम्हें entry नहीं मिलेगा उसके बाद. So make sure that you are on time, even if you have not been punctual all throughout your life. भाई एक ही दिन के लिए, 1 2 3 दिन के लिए भाई पंक्चुअल हो जाओ. नॉट इवन लाइक राइट बिफोर यू आर एंटरिंग, उसके थोड़ी देर पहले हैव योर फूड, बिकॉज डो नॉट गो एम्प्टी स्टमक. ओके, बिकॉज यू विल बी हैविंग ईच एग्जाम ऑफ like 1 hour. ठीक है, तो इफ यू आर हैविंग 3 papers, so 3 hours, and you will feel even more sick then, because at the back of your mind anxiety will always be making things worse for you. The final revision as to how you should do it. I used to revise on my way going there, because I am somebody who is never satisfied with no matter how many rounds of revision I have done. Okay, so if you're also someone like that, keep revising. Now revisit the weak points, not everything. Okay, everything you have done multiple times all around the year. Now you do not revisit everything, you revisit only the very weak points, those portions which are you tend to get confused in. We were set off the worst possible scenarios that can happen. In our time it was an online mode of exam, and I believe that is the same case with you all. Now even if in your admit card it is given like say मेरे वाला में क्या था, it was like geography, history, political science. Now I am someone who has always dreaded political science. ठीक है, तो I was like yeah, geography I am like थोड़ा सा तो है इसमें, थोड़ा सा तो I am like कि हाँ भाई कर लूँगी. ठीक है, तो geography होगा मेरा पहले, history फिर उसके बाद history होगा, फिर उसके बाद लास्ट में pol science होगा. मैं clear mind से pol science attempt करूँगी. But it is not always the case when you go and you like enter your desktop. Okay, like you will enter, they will send you to your respective like exam room, like what happened in my case. I was in TCS Gito Bitan. Start checking your details. Now many things can happen in that time. Your Aadhaar card will be having your bachpan ka photo, and your admit card will be having your very recent photo. So they will be like, how do I know if these two people are the same? Do not lose your temper. Okay, people are gonna say a lot of things. Never lose your temper, never lose your patience. Just stay quiet, like it is me only, it has not been updated, it will be updated thereafter. And oh my god, this turmoil that comes with documents. They give you number of the desktop, and then you go and then you start like like time जब होगा तभी, time जब तक नहीं होगा तुम कुछ भी पासवर्ड डाल दो, and password will be your date of birth. Okay, most probably date of birth only. तो कुछ भी पासवर्ड डाल दो, तुम्हारा डेस्कटॉप खुलेगा नहीं. So don't go into a panic mode ki why am I not being able to log in, and don't communicate with the people who are there around you. Okay, because first of all कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होगा, हर किसी का अलग अलग पेपर होगा. आई वॉज अटेम्प्टिंग माई ह्यूमैनिटीज सब्जेक्ट्स पेपर while the other person next to me was attempting कॉमर्स के पेपर्स. सो किसी का कुछ भी सिमिलर नहीं होगा. सो डू नॉट इवन ट्राई. ठीक है, यू हैव स्टडीड ऑनेस्टली ऑल राउंड द ईयर, इवन इफ यू हैव नॉट, बट एट दिस पॉइंट गेट ऑनेस्ट भाई. एट दिस पॉइंट बी सीरियसली ऑनेस्ट एंड यू डू नॉट नीड टू रिलाई ऑन एनीबडी एल्स. इफ यू आर डिस्टाइंड टू गो समवेयर, ट्रस्ट मी, तुम खुद अपने ही एफर्ट्स पे, अपने ही परसिवियरेंस से तुम वहाँ पे जाओगे, किसी और के एफर्ट से नहीं. कोई और तुम्हें कुछ आंसर बोल देगा, उसकी वजह से तुम नहीं जा पाओगे वहाँ पे. अल्टीमेटली किसी ना किसी तरह से you will not be able to. So yeah, be honest, maintain the honesty and purity all throughout. That is the best advice you will find everywhere on the internet. 1 hour is allotted for one particular paper. Focus on that only. You don't need to see कि अगले वाले पेपर में क्या है. मैं तो बहुत ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ, मत होना ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट. क्वेश्चन स्किपिंग वाला पार्ट, मेनी ऑफ यू आर लाइक नेगेटिव मार्किंग होगा तो मुझे शायद क्वेश्चन छोड़ देना चाहिए. आई डोंट थिंक सो एट ऑल. एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग दिस क्योंकि मेरा कट ऑफ क्लियर हो गया एंड आई एम वेयर आई वांटेड टू बी, बट आई एम सेइंग दिस बिकॉज बी लॉजिकल अबाउट इट. तुम अगर एक क्वेश्चन छोड़ रहे हो, यू आर लूजिंग 5 मार्क्स, एंड तुम अगर एक क्वेश्चन गलत कर रहे हो, यू आर लूजिंग 6 मार्क्स. सो 1 मार्क के लिए आई एम नॉट थिंक यू शुड play that gamble game, because at the end, like for in case of questions like English vocab questions, it might as well be that your guess is right. Okay, your guess is right, but you are like, I will lose 6 marks, and in that pursuit you are actually losing the 5 marks which you could have gained on that question. So I would say do not leave any questions, especially not in the case of English. mat choda karo. Also, why I tell you to attempt the entire paper is because how is it fair that somebody is attempting all the questions, you are like attempting just 49 of those questions, and you will be marked on basis of that, and the other person will be marked on basis of that. After all, it's a competitive exam. Okay, so attempt the entire paper. The entire paper has been declared to be compulsory. All the questions have been declared to be compulsory for some reason, and yeah, we are not at all following the earlier 40 out of 50 वाला thing. At this point, do not even think about anything. Do not think about कौन मुझसे ज़्यादा prepared है, किसका highest आएगा, ये सब मत सोचो. It is your battlefield. You are the only one who can give your best. You do you. कौन कितना prepared है, कौन क्या किया है, तुम्हें, how does it matter to you honestly? It will not. At the end, it will not. At this point, it seems like it will matter, but trust me, it will not. तो ऐसा हो सकता है कि in the middle of your exam, your computer goes off. It might happen. I cannot guarantee you कि those people will be so lenient and benevolent, like चलो बेटा तुम्हें हम extra time देते हैं. नहीं, the system is built in such a way that for per paper you get 1 hour, and for your 2 papers you are getting 2 hours, for 3 papers you are getting 3 hours. उसके बाद automatically सब कुछ off हो जाएगा, तुम्हें खुद कुछ करना भी नहीं पड़ेगा. Which time you are having, utilize that to the fullest. Do not waste any time thinking whatever. उस 1, 2, 3 घंटे के लिए कुछ भी, like the number of papers you are having, सब कुछ भूल जाओ, सब कुछ बाहर छोड़ दो. एग्जाम सेंटर के बाहर छोड़ दो, घर की प्रॉब्लम बाहर छोड़ दो, रिलेशनशिप प्रॉब्लम, फ्रेंडशिप प्रॉब्लम, सब कुछ बाहर छोड़ दो. बिकॉज इन दैट मोमेंट द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज योर पेपर एंड योर कंसंट्रेशन ऑन दैट, योर 101% माइंडफुलनेस ऑन दैट. ठीक है, सब कुछ छोड़ दो भाई, इन सबसे कुछ नहीं होता. ट्रस्ट मी, ऑल दिस प्रॉब्लम्स आर वेरी वेरी माइनर कंपेयर टू द बिगर प्रॉब्लम्स दैट यू विल बी फेसिंग. नाउ दैट आई नो तो ये सब छोड़ दो भाई, those are not worth it. And always remember, if any person or anything is disturbing, even if itna sa of your mental health, it is not worth your time. Just cut off from that. I don't mean family, of course. Yeah, we can deal with that later. On the screen, it might be the case that all your 4 options are not visible. Panic. What else can you do other than, scrolling left to right, and having a careful look at all the options? Paper standard. Paper standard can be very very tough. तुम ये समझ के ही चलो कि पेपर बहुत टफ होगा, क्योंकि अगर तुम सोचोगे पेपर बहुत ईजी होगा और फिर तुम्हारा पेपर टफ हो गया, भाई तुम्हारा वहाँ पे एंग्जाइटी में बहुत बुरा हालत हो जाएगा. एंड यू विल बी लाइक, मैंने क्या किया पूरा साल. You have studied, man. You have studied. But the thing is that whatever you have studied, that will be asked in the form of questions, and those questions can be थोड़ा सा tricky, but you have studied that. You can forget very minor details, like I forgot years. होता है. It is very normal. Everybody forgets. Nobody is out there a perfect person. Okay, so you might forget details, and it is absolutely alright. But वही एक क्वेश्चन जो तुम नहीं कर पा रहे हो, उसके ऊपर स्टक मत होके रहना. तुम्हारा 1 घंटा निकल जाएगा कहाँ से तुम्हें पता ही नहीं चलेगा. Be honest. Be mindful of what you're doing. Be patient. Do not lose your temper. And it can be that तुम्हारा एग्जाम सेंटर बहुत ही घटिया निकले, तुम्हारे सिर के ऊपर फैन नहीं होगा, कोई एसी तो दूर की बात, कोई फैन भी नहीं होगा. ऐसा भी हो सकता है. ऐसा हो सकता है पावर कट हो जाएगा, कुछ भी. No matter what happens, it might be that the invigilator or invigilators are also be annoying हो भी सकता है भाई, तुम्हें बार बार तुमसे साइन करवा रहे हैं, बार बार पूछ रहे हैं कि तुम्हारा फोटो यहाँ पे सेम क्यों नहीं, हो सकता है भाई. एंड यूज योर रफ पेपर. ओके, रफ पेपर यूज करना. इवन इफ यू आर डूइंग लाइक अटेम्प्टिंग ह्यूमैनिटीज पेपर एंड दे आर लाइक तुम्हें तो नहीं मिलेगा, बोलना कि मुझे चाहिए, मुझे कुछ लाइक स्पेलिंग्स ठीक से लिखना है, सोचना है, ऐसे बोलना. एंड नो मैटर वट एवर हैपन्स, जस्ट डू नॉट गिव अ शिट. डू नॉट एट ऑल. कौन क्या बोल रहा है, कौन तुम्हें क्या बोला था 1 साल पहले, 2 साल पहले, कुछ भी मैटर नहीं करता भाई इस पॉइंट पे. यू डू यू गिव योर बेस्ट. जस्ट टेल यू वन थिंग कि अभी इतना स्ट्रेस लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जब तक तुम्हारा पेपर का टाइम नहीं आ रहा है तब तक कीप रिवाइजिंग, कीप रिविजिटिंग योर वीक पॉइंट्स एंड डू नॉट वरी. एवरीथिंग विल अल्टीमेटली fall into the place because I'm a big proponent of determinism at this point, but yeah, everything happens for a good reason and you will ultimately get where you are destined and you deserve to be. So yeah, like अभी शायद तुम्हें पता नहीं चलेगा कि why you are here, what you are doing, but कुछ साल बाद पता चल जाएगा my friend. So yeah, do not worry. I believe in you. Okay, I believe in you. Give your best. And let me know in the comment section or like reach out to on my email ID like how your exam goes and visit the washroom before you start writing your paper. That's all I had to say. Even if the entire world is like you won't be able to do, बेटा आप जानते हो आपकी पोटेंशियल कितना है. सो ऑलवेज यूटिलाइज दैट टू द फुलेस्ट. अभी डू नॉट थिंक अबाउट एनी ड्रीम कॉलेज, एनी ड्रीम यूनिवर्सिटी, ड्रीम कोर्स, कुछ भी. जस्ट गो एंड गिव योर बेस्ट. ओके, मतलब देवोश्मिता.